So I just dropped off the camper van, had to give it up, didn't want to. Was a little bit emotional about giving it back. Like I really didn't want to give it back, but every adventure has to come to an end eventually, I guess. So I'm here in Glasgow. I'm staying for 2 nights at this boutique hotel called Grasshopper. And my room is small but modern and super clean. Just resting and enjoying watching TV because I haven't done that all month, and gonna go explore the city a little bit. But it's getting to be lunchtime. I'm starting to get hungry, and I had a few leftover snacks from the camper van that I've carried with me that I wanted to try on camera. So the first is the Scottish soft drink of choice, Iron Brew. Looks like orange pop. No idea what it tastes like. And this was in the camper van in the fridge, so it's semi-cold still. I have no fridge in this room, so it's not that cold. Don't know if that makes a difference. All right, so it smells super sweet already. Oh, that's sickeningly sweet. Okay, here goes. Just tastes like sugar. I don't know what I'd compare that to. Kind of like cream soda, I guess. With a tang of something else. Not a fan, but it's not terrible. I don't know how to describe it though. Yeah, I won't be buying another one, but I will drink a little bit more of this one. No idea what this stuff is. Well, it has sweeteners in it. That's probably why I don't like it. Yeah, not a fan. All right, and then the next thing I'm gonna try is some weird chips. Scotland has some bizarre chip flavors, and this one is not the weirdest, but I'm not that brave. So I'm gonna try some Walker's cheese and onion chips. Really the only reason why I'm trying these ones is because they came in a multi-pack with some other flavors I actually like. So kind of ended up with them. Accidentally. Well, not accidentally, I knew I was buying them. Well, they look like plain chips. Oh, they definitely smell like onions. Kind of like sour cream and onion a bit, but you can it's definitely cheese and onion. Not bad though. Definitely like those a lot better than this disgusting stuff. All right, well, that's it for the taste test.